This is the piston for Perkins non-turbo engine 1004. It's 100 milli dia and the pin size is 30 milli. J142. This is the piston which is using for the non-turbo engine whole model. For the same engine there is one more piston is there. It's also for the non-turbo engine. The design is quite different and the length is different for the both of piston, but if you connect the same one, the piston is matching. The most of the mechanic they have confusion when they get the old piston like this and they change this one, they have some doubt. So if the hole is matching and the bottom side is okay, so don't worry for the top side, it can be used. This piston both are the same, but looks like some difference are there. Looks are different. It's very plain type and it's having some design, but it's same. You can use it for the same purpose.